Welcome to hiredronepilot.io, the fastest way to turn your drone skills into real business. Let's get you signed up and flying in no time. First, go to hiredronepilot.io and click on pilot and sign up. Here, select your country, your pilot license. If you don't have no license, just select no license. It's okay as long as you have a great experience, right? So we're gonna select this. We're gonna put the username. We're gonna put the email address and password, and we're gonna click on sign up. So we are signed up, but we still need to verify the email. So to verify the email, we will go to the email, and here we go. We are verified now, and we can see beautiful dashboard for vendors and pilots. So first thing first, we have to go ahead and edit the profile. So on your left sidebar, you can go and click on edit profile. You can choose your picture. You can add your phone number. You can select what you want it to show on your profile on the real website. So here's an example of how you can edit the profile. You can add your name, city, state, zip code. The country is pre-populated. Please do not change it. You can add the address. You can add details about your drone pilot license, available drones, something about your company, etc. And just hit on update. Once you complete editing your profile, go to the dashboard and you can see this beautiful text, purchasing a new package. Currently, we are offering free package to first 1,000 drone pilots. Without drone package, you cannot put your profile on public. So click on choose a package. As you can see, free for a year. You can get 5 services, 5 images per service, 200 appointments, 5 staffs if any staff works under you. You can raise the support tickets for free. You can have a Zoom meeting link and Google Calendar. Everything for free for first 1,000 registrations. So hurry up. You can then extend and check out, and you're good to go. Now you are good to put your profile on the Hire Drone Pilot website. Let's check it out. So here we go. We go to home, we go to pilots, and here we can see our profile is up with all the details. So we are going to get more info about how to put schedule and finally how to register the service in the service management in upcoming videos.